So I'm going to be completing this Rubik's Cube by way of repairing it, because basically this particular one's been dropped, and upon dropping some of the pieces have fallen out and been clipped back in the wrong place. An example of that is these two pieces here. You can see the same colour on two sides of the same square, so that's not going to be able to be sort of matched up. So there's different versions of Rubik's Cube, but this particular one you can just basically clip off some of the sides of the squares, and for this repair we'll just take off a few of them, see how we get on. So if you can just see, it's got a ridge there, just basically just get the fingernail behind it and pick it off. Right, so there is the basic core of a Rubik's Cube. There's our last colour, which I'm not sure which colour I had off now. Was it blue? Yes, that's the blue one. So, so we know that's that blue side there. But now what we need to do is start building this up with this in mind. So there we go, there's one in. So there's a green corner piece there. Okay. So I'm getting all the just the sort of like the one-sided colours first for the one side of it, and they just sort of twist in. Like so. So when we've got that built in, we then need to look for all the other greens, which I've put here. So it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Should be one more. Of course, there's going to be a green in amongst this, so that'll be one of the blank ones. So we can only ever build up what we know. About. So we know this side is an orange, and that we can basically put this green here, because we know orange is that side. So we slot that into place there, and that's all good. So to keep this in place, we need a yellow to go here, so we need a yellow and an orange. Hopefully there's one made up, if not it'll be one of the blank sides and one of those. That's the blue. So it doesn't look like there's any yellow and oranges here. Which, green and orange, yeah, no yellow and oranges. So from that we can tell that this particular piece, can go here, and that's going to have to be an orange. So we can slot that back in. Okay, so so that holds that in place now. So that's any green and yellows. So green this side, yellow on that side. There we go. One there. So so that can slot in like so. Okay. Right, let's try this again. So blue goes in there. Right, and I keep trying to hold it now. There we go. Well, I'm losing that again. There we go. So let's get this piece in next. Oh, hang on, I think I need the corner in first. I was not going to get to go in. There we go. Last piece in. Okay, so here's the sprung loaded screw. Oh, there we go. Just needs to go back in the middle before it all falls apart. And it needs to be tight, but not too tight that it won't turn around anymore. It's sprung loaded, so this can still move about a bit more. Fine, lovely. There we go. Back together again. Okay, thanks a lot for watching.